Alright, question 6 on our measurement test. Miss Choate walks a rectangular path around her neighborhood each night. Well, I know it's a rectangle, which I already see the picture. And it says she walks a path each night through her neighborhood. Use the ruler provided to measure the dimensions of the figure to the nearest inch. If Miss Choate uses a scale of 1/2 inch equals 20 feet, how many feet does she walk at night? So first things first, you guys have a ruler on your formula chart, and I don't have a formula chart handy right now, so I'm going to use an actual ruler. Either one of these will work. So first I need to look at my sides, and there's a couple of different ways people could do this. I'm going to first note that this is 2 inches. And because this is a rectangle, if this is 2, the one across from it is also 2. Now, something that some people I saw like to do, and this is totally up to you, depends on if this is how you see it better. They said, oh, well, let's mark these into 1/2 inches. Well, here's my picture, and they said, well, there's a 1/2 inch, there's a 1/2 inch, there's a 1/2 inch. Okay, and that's totally fine. Let's measure the length. And I see that it is only 1 inch. So I'm going to go ahead and label this 1 inch. And if that one's 1 inch, so is this. Now, if I'm the other person, I'm going to go ahead and show you what they did. Some people did this, and they broke this into 1/2 inches, which is totally fine. Alright, whoops, up here I need to break this also. So the question wants to know the answer in feet. So I know I have to change this. So first, let me go with the pink way. The distance through her neighborhood is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 inches. Well, I know that 1/2 of an inch is equal to 20 feet. And I want to get to 6 inches. So I'm looking for this magic number here. So you could say 20 times 6, which is 120, is equal to 1/2 x. So right now 1/2 is being multiplied with x, so I divide by 1/2. And remember, when you are dividing a fraction, to divide a fraction, don't ask why, just flip the second and multiply. You're really multiplying by the reciprocal, which is the fancy grown-up way, but I always like cute little cheers to remind me. And cute cheers are very helpful, but also you need to make sure you know why those cheers or shortcuts or sayings are true. So I'm going to flip this, which is the reciprocal, and it becomes 2/1. Well, now I just multiply numerators, 240/1. So my answer is 240 feet. Now I want to show you real quick the other way, because some people did this on their test, and this is a perfectly acceptable way. They went ahead and broke their picture up into 1/2 inches, and they actually labeled 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. So then they said, well, this is 20, 40, 60, 80, and this is 80, and this is 40, and this is 40. And when I add 80 plus 80 plus 40 plus 40, I also get 240 feet. So it does not matter. You can do it with a picture and do it part by part, or you can just do it all together and then use your algebra. Either way, you should still get 240 feet.